In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Samsung S23 Ultra to Mac. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer any files that you have on your Samsung S23 Ultra to a Mac. So in order to establish this connection, you will need a USB cable and you need to download an additional tool. So natively, you will usually encounter problems if you just do the USB connection. So to ensure that you are able to transfer files from an Android device, such as the S23 Ultra, what you have to download is the Android File Transfer. As you can see, this allows you to browse and transfer files between your Mac computer and your Android device. It supports macOS 10.7 and higher, and all that you have to look for is Android File Transfer on Google. So download this, open this file, drag it to applications, and now you will be able to use it to open all the files on your Android device. You will have to connect it to your Mac using a USB cable. The one that came with your phone, if applicable, should be enough. So they are usually going to be USB-C to USB-C, but if you have USB-C to USB-A, that is okay as well. To keep it simple, just make sure that you are able to establish a connection between your phone and your Mac. It doesn't matter which cable you use, as long as you connect them together with whichever connection type is available for you depending on your cables. Once you establish this connection, now you can use Android File Transfer. So if you open Android File Transfer, you will be able to see all of the files inside of your Android phone's storage. And this will work for any other devices, as well as the S23 Ultra, of course. You can drag folders from your Mac into the storage of your Android device or vice versa. So you can drag these files inside of your Android's storage into your Mac, whatever you prefer. Everything will be available here for you to manage. And if you look at your S23 Ultra, there might be some settings related to USB file transfer, aka the purpose of this transfer and how you want to use the USB. But leaving this on default should be okay. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Samsung S23 Ultra to Mac. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.